Hello everyone, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today, we're diving into Chrome's AI-integrated M121 release and its impact on web search, discussing generative AI's transition towards customer-centric solutions and exploring startups revolutionizing photography, revenue intelligence, and satellite imagery. Tune in for insights on these latest technological trends and their real-world applications. Chrome is integrating machine learning and AI to enhance web search with the latest Chrome M121 release featuring new experimental AI features. These will roll out in the US for Mac and Windows PC users, excluding enterprise and educational accounts. The tab organizer automatically creates and suggests tab groups to simplify multitasking. Users can right-click a tab or use the drop-down arrow to organize similar tabs. Chrome now allows the creation of AI-generated themes. Without needing AI prompt expertise, users can select preferences like subject and mood to generate custom themes through the Customize Chrome side panel. Additionally, themes can be customized with personal photos or downloaded from the Chrome Web Store. Next month, Chrome will assist users in drafting web content with AI. The Help Me Write feature can be accessed by right-clicking text boxes, offering support in composing various online texts. Google unveiled new classroom accessibility and AI-powered features at the BetEd Tech event. AI will soon suggest questions for YouTube videos in classroom assignments. The Practice Sets feature, using AI for answers and hints, is now in 50-plus languages, and educators can convert Google Forms into practice sets. A new Resources tab will manage these sets and video questions. Duet AI, part of Google Workspace, aids in creating lesson plans. For class management, teachers will be able to form groups in Classroom and assign work to them. They can narrate lessons with the speaker spotlight in slides. Google Workspace now includes e-signature collection, and Classroom Analytics offer insights into assignment completion and grading trends. Accessibility improvements include screen reader-compatible text extraction from PDFs on Chrome OS, text highlighting and reading aloud in Chrome, closed captions in 30 languages for Google Meet, and pinning multiple hosts. Additionally, 15 new Chromebooks showcased at BET will feature direct access to assignments from the home screen. Let's now turn our attention to AI's impact on job hunting. A Canva and Sago survey of 10,000 participants reveals that 45% of job seekers globally are using generative artificial intelligence to enhance their resumes, with the highest usage in India and Brazil. About 90% of hiring managers approve of AI usage in application materials. Job seekers employing AI reported higher satisfaction with their resumes and felt better equipped than non-users. Despite the positive response to AI, 67% of hiring managers can identify its use, highlighting the importance of personalizing AI-generated content. The survey also indicates a shift towards visually appealing resumes, with recruiters spending an average of 7.4 seconds per resume. Canva's AI tool, Magic Write, was notably used 5 million times last year, suggesting a trend towards incorporating visual elements to capture recruiters' attention quickly. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Artis, an AI photo creation startup, differentiates itself by producing highly realistic images, positioning them as alternatives to professional photography. Users upload their pictures, train the AI for about 30 to 40 minutes, and can then generate images using text or visual prompts within minutes. Founded by William Wu, formerly of McKinsey & Company and Oaktree Capital, Artis aims to democratize access to high-quality photography. Its proprietary AI model, trained on public domain photography, considers a multitude of factors, including race, facial structure, and lighting, to create authentic images. The app's realism has propelled it to the top photo app spot in multiple markets and has been downloaded over 200,000 times. Artis stands out by focusing on realistic and usable images, unlike competitors like Remini and Lensa. The startup's flexibility allows for creative uses, though it does not endorse inappropriate alterations like race changes. The app's monetization strategy has evolved from a pay-per-photo to a subscription model with 3 tiers, leading to a $1 million annual recurring revenue in December 2023. Amit Bendov and Ilan Rishev co-founded Gong after identifying a gap in how businesses process and learn from customer interactions. Gong's AI-powered revenue intelligence platform captures and analyzes customer communications at scale, offering actionable insights and automating workflows to enhance efficiency and decision-making. This innovation addresses the common issue of lost deals due to misalignment and inefficient seller workflows resulting from the traditional, time-consuming review of CRM notes. Gong's platform stands out for its ability to integrate and comprehend every customer interaction, thereby accelerating revenue growth for organizations. With over 4,000 global companies leveraging Gong's technology, the startup has proven its value in supporting go-to-market strategies and fostering revenue efficiency. Gong differentiates itself by avoiding overwhelming customers with technical jargon, instead highlighting how its AI technology directly improves the bottom line. The startup even utilizes its platform to refine its marketing approach, ensuring messages resonate with customer priorities, showcasing its AI's practical utility in crafting effective marketing campaigns. Gong exemplifies the practical application of its unique AI solution in both product offering and marketing, evidencing the platform's real-world benefits for revenue teams. Next, we delve into the Albedo's satellite breakthroughs, which are shaking up the commercial orbital imagery landscape by offering high-resolution images at a groundbreaking 10-centimeter resolution, a level of detail formerly exclusive to classified military technology. The company was co-founded by Topher Haddad, a former Lockheed Martin employee, alongside AJ Lassater and Winston Try. Their ambition is to deliver this unparalleled resolution at a cost accessible to the commercial market. Albedo's unique approach involves deploying satellites in a very low Earth orbit, VLEO, ranging from 250 to 450 kilometers above Earth, as opposed to the more commonly used low Earth orbit, LEO. This strategic positioning allows for sharper images, and their satellite bus is custom-built to thrive in this zone, incorporating advanced guidance, navigation, control systems, robotics, solar arrays, and software to maintain clarity and counter atmospheric drag. Despite the technical challenges inherent in maintaining stability, agility, and accuracy at such high resolutions, and in VLEO, Albedo's dense, heavy satellites leverage efficient electric propulsion systems to maintain their course. Albedo's imagery has broad applications ranging from commercial to defense sectors. The company is on track to launch its first commercial satellite by the first half of 2025, with ambitions for a 6-satellite block for daily global revisits and a full 24-satellite constellation for 5 revisits per day. And now, pivot our discussion towards Learn AI. Welcome to another AI learning episode, where we delve deep into the intriguing world of generative AI. Today we have a fascinating topic to explore, generative AI's Act 2. But before we get into the details, let's set the stage with a fundamental question. What's the current state of generative AI, and what value does it bring to the table? Over the past few years, we've witnessed a revolution in the world of AI. Scientists, historians, and economists have long pondered the conditions necessary for an explosion of innovation, akin to the Cambrian explosion in biology. Well, in generative AI, we're experiencing our own modern marvel, what some have called our generation's space race. This remarkable moment didn't happen overnight. It's the culmination of decades of progress. 6 decades of Moore's Law gave us the computational power needed. 4 decades of the internet and 2 decades of mobile and cloud computing delivered vast troves of training data and supercomputers in our pockets. The spark that lit the fuse for generative AI's rise was ChatGPT, creating a frenzy of innovation and excitement. But as with any revolution, the initial euphoria soon turned into a feeding frenzy of fundraising, talent wars, and GPU procurement. However, cracks began to show. Ethical concerns, debates over regulation, and doubts about generative AI's usefulness emerged. Some wondered if this was just another vaporware cycle. Yet, generative AI has achieved considerable success, with over $1 billion in revenue from startups alone, surpassing the early stages of the SaaS market. Applications like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Character have become household names. But where do we stand now? Generative AI has a value problem. While there's demand and user engagement, retention remains a challenge. Users are not finding enough value in these products to use them daily. The critical question is, what are you going to use all this infrastructure to do? How is it going to change people's lives? Generative AI is still in its awkward teenage years. The failures are reliable, repeatable, and fixable, giving us hope. Now, let's move towards Act 2. Act 1 was technology-driven, where novelty apps showcased the potential of foundation models. Act 2 is customer-centric, solving human problems end-to-end. These applications use foundation models as part of a more comprehensive solution and introduce new editing interfaces, making workflows stickier and outputs better. The market is already beginning to transition from Act 1 to Act 2. Examples of companies entering Act 2 include Harvey, which is building custom LLMs for elite law firms, Glean, which is crawling and indexing our workspaces to make generative AI more relevant at work, and Character and Ava, which are creating digital companions. Developers have become the key to unlocking unforeseen use cases. The form factor of generative AI applications is evolving, moving beyond simple autocomplete to richer, more complex experiences. Ethics and copyright debates are ongoing, shaping the landscape of AI-generated content. Now let's focus on the value proposition. Generative AI isn't lacking in use cases or demand, but it's struggling to prove its value. While some applications like Character and AI Companionship have high engagement, many others lag behind. It's clear that generative AI's value problem is a significant challenge, but there's hope. A shared playbook is emerging, where founders are working on prompt engineering and dataset curation, turning flashy demos into complete product experiences. The model development stack is evolving, with emerging techniques and tools like transfer learning, retrieval, augmented generation, and AI-first infrastructure companies. The playbook for generative AI-first user experiences is also maturing, introducing generative interfaces, new editing experiences, and increasingly sophisticated agentic systems. In conclusion, while the initial hype and flash of generative AI have subsided, real value and whole product experiences are taking center stage. As we navigate the evolving landscape of generative AI, patience and judgment will be key, and a shared playbook gives us optimism about its second act. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.